What if I told you the next global superpower isn't a country, but a piece of code? Behind the headlines of trade wars and inflation, a new shadow economy is quietly taking over $20 trillion in global wealth. Most people, including the experts on TV, are going to miss it until it's too late. Don't be one of them. For 50 years, the global economy has run on an aging plumbing system that is slow, expensive, and reliant on middlemen taking a cut of every single transaction. In 2026, that system is finally breaking. But the shift no one is talking about isn't just about currencies or borders. It's about the complete rewriting of how value itself moves across the planet. While the world watches the news, institutions like BlackRock and JPMorgan are quietly moving real-world assets, skyscrapers, gold mines, and private equity onto the blockchain. This is the rise of tokenization. It's creating a parallel financial universe that is faster, cheaper, and completely invisible to traditional GDP tracking. In the old economy, the best opportunities were locked behind a wall of lawyers and million-dollar minimums. In this new code-based superpower, those same assets are becoming programmable and liquid, tradable 24/7 with no bank in the middle. The gap between the informed and the uninformed is about to become a canyon. While the masses wait for central banks to adjust interest rates by a fraction of a percent, the invisible winners are already moving trillions into a system that earns yield automatically. The map of the world is being redrawn. It isn't happening at physical borders anymore. It's happening in the code. If you're waiting for an official announcement that the system has changed, you've already lost. The shift is happening right now in the shadows.